Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing the battery of their Black Decker PV1825 Dustbuster? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off Dustbuster. Before we start, make sure your Dustbuster is powered off and not plugged into any charge points. Step 2. Identify battery compartment. Identify where the battery compartment is on the Dustbuster. Typically, it's at the back or bottom. Step 3. Open battery compartment. Undo the battery compartment either by sliding the latch or hitting the release button, depending on the model. Step 4. Remove old battery. Gently take out the old battery. Remember how it was connected? It's how you'll connect the new one. Step 5. Insert new battery. Now, place the new battery securely into the compartment, ensuring it's connected the right way. Step 6. Secure battery compartment. Lastly, close the compartment securely. If done right, it should latch or lock back without fuss. Following this simple guide, you should now be able to comfortably replace the battery of your Black Decker Dustbuster without any issues. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black Decker users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.